Hi, my name is Shrat Shume. I completed my master's degree in software engineering 2 years ago with strong focus on machine learning and artificial intelligence. During my studies, I worked on several AI researches, one of which was published in Applied Computing and Geoscience, and which I was participated as first author. Beyond that, I also collaborated with World Program and Ethiopian Maritime Authority in order to establish a logistic information hub, which is a major step in order to applying AI-driven solution to improve the efficiency and the effectiveness of Ethiopian logistics sector. And I'm truly excited about the possibility of contributing to her mission of pushing the boundaries of AI and language. Today, I will be discussing about the continual learning of AI, which is which is under research listed under the core here. And so, um, there is a big problem in AI, which is AI is not a snapshot of knowledge, a snapshot of past knowledge, which is a big problem since it doesn't adapt to new knowledge or to new information, also to new environment, which makes it difficult since our main problem or our main mission is to create AI, which is more that imitate how human adapt and create new knowledge. But in the case of our current AI, they can't adapt to new environment like we do, like human do. So how do we resolve this issue? The first way is retraining the AI from scratch. But as you know, it costs a lot of money. In case of GPT-3, it cost around $4.6 million, more than that. And there, in addition to that, there is also high energy costs, and this energy cost lead to a massive environmental catastrophe. So what else can we do? So when we come to that, we come to continual learning, which is creating like an AI which is similar to human, which is a lifelong learner. And as we know, human are adapt to new environment, to new situation, to new data. So we are trying to create this behavior in AI, but there is a major problem while doing that. There is, in case of AI, it doesn't learn like human. There is a problem called catastrophic forgetting, which means AI, when it learns new things, it erases its old knowledge, which is unusual in case of human. Like if you take human, uh, if we study for physics for tomorrow exam, we don't forget about the exam we took last semester, which is history exam we took last semester. But in case of AI, such problem is big. So researchers try to understand this phenomenon by trying to identify different factor. One of the factor, so in order to identify and to understand this problem, they use different models, smaller and bigger models. Uh, they also use different subjects, and all they use all these things in order to understand and to answer two big questions: does model size matter, or does learning order matter? So we'll go there. The first finding is size matter, but in different way. In case of continual learning, smaller model perform a lot better than that of the large model. They learn a lot faster than that of the large model, but there's a big trade-off in such cases. They forgot a lot faster than that of the large model. But in case of large model, even though they don't learn as smaller model, but they can perform and they don't forget as that of the smaller model. And the second finding is similar order learning, the order of learning. If there is similar order learning, for example, if we teach AI that learned medicine, new like health disease or heart disease or cancer, it is specialized in AI. Since there are similar things, it's specialized in that area, and it creates a strong narrow domain knowledge in that area. But there is a problem. The problem is they forgot anything that is unrelated to their current knowledge. And but in case of random learning, we can create a generalist AI that can perform better in broad areas, but they also good at they don't forget like the similar order modeling. And the key takeaway are bigger always not better in the case of continual learning, as we see above. Massive model can raise smaller update, and there is also a trade-off between learning and forgetting. We need to consider just two aspects before designing an AI, but if you need a specialized AI, you need to have a similar order learning. If you have a generalized AI, you need to have a random order training.